Hi everybody, my name is Jara B and I want to say welcome to my channel, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. This video is going to be a what's in my bag, and this video is also in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. A fellow YouTuber, DJ King, started a trend here to support breast cancer awareness. And what it is people carrying a pink handbag for the month of October. And this is the bag that I chose. This is a Guess backpack that I purchased from Burlington. And here is the front of it. Here's the side, the back, the bottom, the other side. And then I decided to add this beautiful, cute little white pom-pom. It came with this Guess question mark charm on the outside of it, and I added the pom-pom. So let's get right into what's inside of this backpack. Okay, you guys, so here is everything that I had my little Guess backpack packed with. All right, so ladies, don't forget to schedule your mammogram if you need to, if you're old enough to do so. And self-examination can be done at start doing that at a very young age. So, all right, guys, thanks for joining me. And until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Bye.